Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Arslan, son of Muhammad Ashraf. I'm a student of MSc Zoology in Harunabad, NICE campus of Virtual University of Pakistan. My course code is Zoo 507 and my course name is Principle of Animal Ecology. It deals about the interaction between the animal with their environment and the physical factor of environment or effect on the animal. This course provides the basic knowledge of ecology and environmental sciences. Now, what is environmental science? Environmental science is defined as a branch of biology focused on the study of the relationship of natural world and the relationship between the organism and their environment. Environmental scientists bring a system approach to analysis of environmental problem. Key element of an effective environmental scientist include the ability to relate the space and time relationship as well as quantitative analysis. Environmental science involves the different field of study. Most often study of environmental science include study of climate change, natural resources, energy, pollution and environmental issue. The field of environmental science can be divided into three main goals, which are to learn how the natural world works, to understand how we as a human interact with their environment, and also determine how we affect the environment. Environmental science provides basic knowledge of ecological system and ecology. Now question is that what is ecology? Ecology is derived from Greek word oikos mean family, household and logi mean study. Ecology is the branch of biology concerned with understanding how organisms relate with each other and their environment. This branch of biology mainly deals with the relationship between the organisms, their relationship among each other, their relationship toward the shared resources, their relationship with space they share, and even the relationship with the non-living aspects in the environment. Ecology equally allows us to see the purpose of each organism in a web of connectivity that make up the ecosystem. Ecologists' goal to improve their understanding of life process, adaptation and habitat, interaction and biodiversity of organisms. Ecology helps to understand energy sources of energy flow mechanism in our world. Actually, energy resources also divided two categories like renewable energy resources and non-renewable energy resources. Now question arises, what is difference between renewable and non-renewable energy resources? Non-renewable resources are those resources which cannot be used again and again as it is limited, which can be depleted one day. It is not environment friendly as amount of carbon emission is high. These resources are present in limited quantity only. The total cost of these resources comparatively high. These resources not pollution free. These resources requires less land area for the installation of the power plant. It is exhaustible. Adversely affect on the human, emitting smoke, radiation, carcinogenic, cancer causing element into the environment. Coal, petroleum, natural gas, batteries are the example of non-renewable energy sources. On the other hand, renewable energy sources are those resources which used again and again throughout its life. They are energy sources which cannot be exhausted. It's environment friendly as the amount carbon emission is low. These resources are present in unlimited quantity. Total cost of these resources is low. These resources are pollution free. The rate of renewable energy resources is greater than the rate of consumption. Cause no harm to life existing on planet Earth. It is sustainable. Sunlight are the best example of renewable energy sources. Now last question is that what is environmental sustainability? Actually, environmental sustainability is the ability of Earth's various natural system and human cultural system and economics to survive and adapt to changing environment condition indefinitely period. Sustainability is important for many reasons including environmental quality. In order to have a healthy community, we need clean air, natural resources and non-toxic environment. Sustainability and healthcare are intricately related since the quality of our environment affect the public health. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.